want to do you know. New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
So I have been waiting. It's not like I haven't been waiting. I am not behaving obligated. No, I'm not. The chickens have been in the fridge now 3 months. Plus, now if I had the money, those chickens would have been on the barbecue, sold already. That's how long it has been. My mouth has been sealed shut. I wear face painting every day to hide my problems. I come on here, I smile and I hide it all. I sing from night till morning. Nothing don't happen for me. Right? This is getting unbearable. And I'm asking for some help. So hold on, you look a big pussy bitch. Big pussy bitch. Isn't a bro?
Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Look at that. Who is that? That's Britt. That's Brittany Golfe from St. James Parish down in Montego Bay. Huh? People. One thing me I tell you, you know. Big up to all TikTokers. Although me attack on a lot of times somehow, you know. Because you know make me start beg too. You understand? People. As me I say. They call it's creators. But you see some of them not deserve nothing. Them not deserve nothing because you see ungratefulness. See that. That ungrateful. What me say? That is what you call ungrateful with the capital U and end with even a capital L. Brittany Guffey. She, but me not think she broken on my people. The amount of money me know a Brit make off of them thing, you know. As she basically launched the CR Jamaican, and she paved the way for us, you know. She was the in-thing on TikTok, you know. And she turned around and class who she want class and cuss who she want cuss, you know. But you see, right now, you see it? What she said, the chicken there in the fridge, she was 2 months. All them the fall, they're supposed to tough. Eh? All when they put in that the pressure cooker there, it still can't press, it still can't cook. Yeah, cookie. It still can't cook. That they fall like 2 months, people, on a real level. 2 months. And one thing me can say, my people, this is nothing. Like, she create ungrateful. That way I see this. Zine, so, we have a heart in a people, and a very good one. But, you see ungrateful people, sometimes you have to keep a good heart and lock you away and give somebody else who really deserve it. Because, I see a lot of people help her. As a lot of people do this, do that for her. And the amount one night time, yo, millions. When I talk about mills here, and she make millions off of this thing here. You see me? And in the end now, when things may gone round, so you go forward now wanna look sympathy. And then in the end, or road she start cuss again. Me and them say she have a mental whatever. But people, this not look like nothing mad to me. That look like nothing mad to me. That does look like a somebody rank and feisty. You understand? Rank like some old piss. Me don't know if you don't know this thing, alright? You see, when I was younger, me have a lot of uncle who do farming, you know. Plenty of them people who do farming. My daddy is a farmer too, see? And more me that go farm, you know. And me see one look buckle, plastic buckle that tie up. Sometimes on some post, you see me? And when me stay so me say, what kind of buckle is with that look of something in here? You know what I mean? Look PLR something. But he look rancid, you know. I mean that comes about man pulley. Cause you know when you look a it, sometimes you see them look a thing you love smell. That's why a lot of we get Africa. We love smell, you know, when you look a bit. And people will go smell it. Woo! Ranking piss stink. That see there. Rank. Zin. Rank. You have to respect people. And them bill you. Alright. We blip on me. You feel say me have to respect my real viewers and subscribers out there. Even though we are say yo, you can give a donation and support the channel to what we are doing the YouTube just like how you can give a TikToker. You understand that me say me a beg too. But look into this, my people, right? You not feel say if it wasn't for Uno, me that have this platform, yeah, 260,000 subscribers per YouTube. Who you feel say do that? Or who you feel say make the channel going? Uno. So me have to love Uno. Anywhere in the world, that's why me big up my fans them. Look how much time we go up and break people. Some personal break, too much time and stress out. You understand? And next left mad out. Problem. Can't vlog. Create too much video and can't problem. And then we forward in and the people, my fans then just roll back in. So me I said, you see my fans then love me? Me respect you know. But them you something you know. Ungratefulness. Them not yet for my people. Them go now them in these stages when things maybe now go the way because the money used to make certain way and the money now make that way there again now. Then you see them people. Yo, now make them trick you know. That's all I have to say. Now make them trick you know. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and I thank you all so much for the love, for the support, the like, the share and every comments of people. And as I said before, I'm going to say again, my people, support with thing. You understand? Give support to the channel. I'm asking kindly from my heart. We have a PayPal link. We have the super chat thing there. You can just, you know what I mean, give us support. You can link me up, email me, NEWLINK. I want to give you support. I want to give you a contribution, people. Because honestly, people, a whole heap of things go on with me. And we give God thanks. We're there. We're there, my people. You know, me give God thanks. God is good. So, big up my world fans. Them. I love you around the world. Anyone there. I'm thanking you for the love, for the support. And thanking you for keep me going, my people. Because if it wasn't for Uno, we'd have gone and we'd have dropped out long time. But in the day, I want to stick with me and me appreciate you, my people. So, you know, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Stay safe and just do the right thing. I'm out. Brittany, and you can say upon yourself. Attack.